Hi, Arwen. What are we doing?
We're sewing.
What are we sewing?
What?
What are you sewing?
I'm sewing a cloak for my, a little, quilt for my doll.
Okay, what do you do first?
You press reverse twice.
Uh-huh. Good. Now what do you do?
And then you press the start button.
Okay. Doing really good.
And then you stop it.
Okay.
Pull the pin out.
Good.
And start it again.
When you start getting towards the end, then what do you do?
We stop it. Press reverse twice.
Okay.
Press your foot up. And then you put the needle up. Pull it a little. And then you snip it.
Good. Great.
And then for the next row, you do it again.
Great.
Same thing that you did.